get some heat up in here. Tile does not want it.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be wild.
In this step-by-step tutorial from our project manager, I learned the art of achieving flawless straight cuts on peel and stick vinyl flooring planks. I discovered the technique of using a long leveler and a carpenter's pencil to draw the perfect guideline, ensuring utmost precision in your measurements. Watch closely as we demonstrate the process and gain confidence in executing your do-it-yourself flooring project with these expert tips and tricks. During a patch repair job, we dive into a real carpentry challenge, forced to tackle the task of seamlessly integrating a different flooring brand, opting for a thinner option from the original. Our solution? Applying 2 layers of planks to match the original floor's thickness to ensure a smooth and professional finish, overcoming thickness variations in our flooring project. Straight cuts.
Pick it up. Throw it in the trash.
Let's get it. Peel and stick.
Steal and pick.
Who would have thought that applying Gorilla Glue spray to a pressed subfloor in a mobile home can create an ideal surface for sticking vinyl peel and stick flooring planks, maximizing bond strength for a durable and long-lasting flooring installation. Navigate challenging spaces with craftsmanship and achieve a flawless finish in your bathroom floor remodeling project. Here's a true definition of the technique of tracing around the toilet and floor vents, ensuring exact measurements for a seamless vinyl plank installation. Now, preparing the kitchen for painting, we had to uninstall all of the cabinet doors and drawers. I ran into a bit of a problem being a novice carpenter, where I didn't know how to lock in the screw bit to the power drill that I was using. This was a bit embarrassing to face in front of a master carpenter with decades of experience.
Man, I wish I could lock this this bit in here, man.
Why?
It won't lock in.
Why?
Like it just keep coming out every time I keep putting the screw out.
Is it the
How you
same
do
one?
that again? So like this thing will shoot your shit. But sometimes it gets knocked in. So if you just pull it out, like you're gonna unload it, and stuff it in there. Oh. Okay. Bet.
Realizing that I have to unattach all of the cabinetry hardware, I began to problem solve on organizing strategies to help me remember exactly where each screw came from. So, in order to do the doors, we're gonna have to take all the hardware out too, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Damn.
What?
I might have to get like a pen over here with like a little box over here, man, so I can like organize and separate this shit. Our project manager discovers the importance of warmth in ensuring a secure bond when overlapping new vinyl flooring onto the existing floor. Don't let lack of heat be a setback in your project.
We need to get some heat up in here.
Huh? So some heat.
Yeah. I'm not cold, just this tile does not want to stick.
Oh shit. I got the heat gun at the house.
I got mine in the trunk.
Okay. That won't help it though, huh?
Not without power.
Oh shit, I can get it some power.
Yeah, but I don't know if that power, that extension cord that guy's got is gonna hold that fucking heat gun.
Okay.
But you never know.
Yeah. Would the heat gun help though?
I think so. Yeah, I think it would. Might throw his breakers in there though.
Throw his breakers?
Mm-hmm.
Serious?
Yeah.
So then we don't want to do nothing like that, right?
They're not my breakers.
Right? But shit, I think that shit, if it was to come from here, I would definitely be responsible for paying for it. So shit.
I don't think there's anything to pay for.
Breakers?
They just pop.
Huh?
They just pop and you have to flip them like this.
Oh.
You just have to flip them on.
Oh.
All yours are off.
Here's a pro tip for a flawless vinyl flooring installation in your mobile home investment property. Take the time to let your vinyl flooring planks soak up the sun's warmth by patiently allowing them to warm up outdoors or either indoors through the sunlight from a window. You are ensuring the ideal temperature for a seamless application. This carpenter-friendly trick guarantees optimal results, making your mobile home project a success. Embrace the heat for a perfect finish.
definitely caught.
Okay. Hell yeah, man. Nice.
I know you feel
Join
this
us on our
movement
family's
right
journey
here.
to
You
renovating
just
and
be
leasing our new mobile home
vibing,
property to
reaching for
generate
something
monthly cash
within
flow.
you.